Hey guys, that's it. My final 120mm ARGB fan for the power supply unit shroud. I've got it right here. Now I can open this up. I'm gonna use my last 4 fan screws to mount this ARGB fan onto this part of the power supply unit shroud. And as I'm doing so, I'm gonna tell you all about building your own gaming PC versus buying a pre-built gaming PC. I'm so glad I got a PC case. That way I can learn all about how PCs are made, build my own PC, and make it as powerful as I can make it. The best part about building your own gaming PC is that you get to pick the best time to build your PC. There is no rush, meaning that your PC case will wait for you. Pre-built gaming PCs, on the other hand, are plug and play without any hassles. The only downside of pre-built gaming PCs is that they tend to be more expensive, even though they come with warranty and support. And as for PC cases, the warranty depends on what you put in your PC case. You know what? I would rather build my own gaming PC than to just buy a pre-built gaming PC. Because it turns out that building your own PC saves you a lot of money. And now I need to find the right motherboard. And now to daisy chain this last 120mm ARGB fan. I'm going to show you how to do that. And if this is your first time of building a gaming PC, just like me, this will teach you how to daisy chain your ARGB fans, like I mentioned in the last video. If I can get this. I know this cable arrangement is a mess. Now, for the final touch of the 120mm ARGB fans, I'm going to remove this cap Once I do, you'll see 3 final pins. All you have to do is connect them, and you're ready to find the best motherboard that is compatible with all those ARGB fans I daisy chained. Be sure you connect this part of the fan to the next ARGB fan. Also, you will need this and this to do that. All you have to do is find the correct position. And now, when I get the chance, I will find a motherboard that is compatible with all those RGB fans. But until then, my PC case can wait a bit more. So there you have it. I'll close this back up for now. So there it is. My 2 120mm ARGB fans installed on my power supply unit shroud. It's just missing the power supply unit, that's all. I figured that if I can get a motherboard, I might be able to get a 360mm AIO cooler. That's all for now.